Hey tech enthusiasts, let's dive into why Google has been buzzing around the news circles today. First up, let's chat about Gboard, the smartphone keyboard we all use and seldom appreciate as much as we should. Google is shaking things up with a new aesthetic approach, a design facelifting that's turning keys circular and spacebars into snazzy pill shapes. Yep, they're going from that classic squared style to something that feels more 21st century mobile friendly. This change is part of a Gboard beta update that's rolling out to a few lucky testers as we speak. Now, why does this tweak matter? Gboard is like the default smartphone keyboard for millions. If you mess with something that integral, even minor design tweaks can feel monumental. The goal here isn't just cosmetic. It's all about embracing that sleek, modern, touch-optimized UI vibe we're moving toward in the app world. Google's aligning the keyboard with our touch-centric lifestyles. How considerate. But here's the twist. Not everyone loves it. Some users think it feels cramped, raising splitting opinions. You can still disable those glossy keyboarders if you're against the new look, a nice touch for keyboard traditionalists. So let's hear it. Are you team rounded keys or holding on to that classic feel? Hit up the comments. We want to know your take. Switch gears now. Our other big Google scoop today is all about futuristic dreams. Google co-founder Larry Page is stirring the innovation pot with a secretive new AI startup, Dynatomics. Get this, the startup is using AI-driven tech to create next-gen product designs that you can manufacture right in the factory. Imagine streamlined product development processes, maximizing efficiency and functionality. Mind-blowing stuff, right? Larry Page doesn't just wake up for just any project, and Dynatomics is expected to revolutionize how we think about manufacturing. Given how Page's typical ventures pan out, the tech world has its hopes pinned high. This aligns with the trend towards AI setting foot into manufacturing industries, which other startups like Orbital Materials are doing in areas like material discovery. It's definitely a bold move, with the potential to reshape manufacturing across industries. Plus, knowing that this push is spearheaded by a titan in tech innovation like Page, with his $156 billion net worth to back it, it's hard not to be excited. Now, your thoughts. How do you feel about AI taking the manufacturing wheel? Are you ready to buy products made by AI-driven designs? Drop your voice in the comments. So there you have it, folks. Google is out here ensuring neither your thumbs nor the manufacturing landscape will ever be the same again. Keep those comments coming and stay tuned for tomorrow's Tech Tea. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.